Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problems posted on Facebook. So let's start. Here's the question. If f of x is equals to x raised to negative x raised to negative x raised to negative x forever, then determine the value of f of 5. So if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're done, here's the solution. So first thing is we need to let x is equals to 5. So we have f of 5 is equals to 5 raised to negative 5 raised to negative 5 raised to negative 5 raised to negative 5 forever. Next, let a is equals to negative 5 raised to negative 5 raised to negative 5 raised to negative 5 forever. Next is we need to solve for the value of a. But notice that the exponent of negative 5 is a. Therefore, we have a is equals to negative 5 raised to a. Next, divide both sides by negative 5 raised to a. We have negative a times 5 raised to negative a equals to 1. Applying laws of exponent. Next, apply the laws of logarithm. So, gagamit tayo ng dalawang law. We have x is equals to e raised to ln x, and ln b raised to x is equals to x times ln b. So, applying those property to 5 raised to negative a, we have negative a times e raised to negative a ln 5 is equals to 1. Next, multiply both sides by ln 5. We have negative a ln 5 times e raised to negative a ln 5 is equals to ln 5. Next step is using Lambert W function. Now, what is Lambert W function? Lambert W function is named after Johann Heinrich Lambert. It is also called the omega function or product logarithm. So if we have an expression in the form y times e raised to y, and we take the Lambert W function of this expression, so we have w of y times e raised to y, this will give us the value of y. I-apply natin to dun sa equation natin kanina. So now, here's our equation again. Next, applying Lambert W function on both sides. So we have w of negative a ln 5 times e raised to negative a ln 5 is equals to w of ln 5. The left hand side will become negative a times ln 5, and the right side becomes w of ln 5. Next, we need to solve for the value of a. So we have a is equals to negative of w of ln 5 all over ln 5. Don't forget that we want to find f of 5. So f of 5 is equals to 5 raised to a. Now substitute the value of a. We have 5 raised to negative of w of ln 5 all over ln 5. Next, simplify. Applying some properties of natural log, we have e raised to ln 5 times the quantity negative of w of ln 5 all over ln 5. Now, ln 5 and ln 5 cancel out. So we have f of 5 is equals to e raised to negative w of ln 5. To get the numerical value of this expression, e raised to negative w of ln 5, we use an online calculator. So we use Wolfram Alpha. So let's type e raised to parenthesis negative product log of ln 5 parenthesis, and then hit enter. Then let's wait for a moment. So we get 0.469621 and so on and so forth. So therefore, our answer, we have f of 5 is equals to approximately 0.496219. And we have the exact f of 5 is equals to e raised to negative w of ln 5. And we're done.